Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is x plus 7 to the whole square is equal to 49. How to find the value of x? If you are genius, then solve this question and comment your answer. But if you preparation for GATE, SET or any other exam, then follow my method. I can solve this question in two methods. So I can start to solve this question. So our solution I can solve this firstly method number 1. So I can write here method number 1. Okay, now guys, I can write here x plus 7 to the whole square is equal to 49. Okay, now in next step I can write it x plus 7 to the whole square is here 49. I can come from equality in left side, so it should be minus 49 is equal to 0. Okay, now in next step guys, we can know about this formula: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay guys, now I can solve this according to this formula. So I can write here x plus 7 plus 7. Okay guys, and x plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, now I can write it as x into x plus 14 is equal to 0. Okay, here guys, x is equal to 0, comma x plus 14, here x plus 14 equal to 0. Now here x is equal to minus 14. So our solution set is 0 comma minus 14. This is our first method. Okay guys, now I can solve this question in second method. So I can write here method number 2. The expression is x plus 7 to the whole square is equal to 49. Guys, we know the formula, which is a square a plus b to the whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so I can solve this x square plus 7 square plus 2x7 is equal to 49. Now in next step, x square plus 7 to the square is equal to 49 plus 14, x is equal to 49. Now again guys, I can write it as x square plus 49. Here 49 come left there, so it's minus 49 plus 14, x is equal to 0. Now here 49 minus 49 cancel with each other, and x square plus 14x is equal to 0. Now guys, here x I can common x from it. So x plus 14 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0 and x plus 14 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 14. So in next method our solution set is 0, minus 14. This is the second method in which we can solve these Olympiad question. And here the solution set in first method is 0, minus 14, and in second method 0, minus 14. Now guys, I can verify these two answer of x. Okay, so our expression is, I can write here verification. Okay guys, verification. So our expression is x plus 7 to the whole square is equal to 49. Firstly I can put 0. Okay, so I can put here 0 value of x. So 0 plus 7 to the whole square is equal to 49. Now here the answer is 49. 7 to the whole square is equal to 49 is equal to 49. LHS is equal to RHS. It means that the value of x is equal to 0 is the correct answer. And I can put now again the value of x, which is minus 14. So x plus 7 to the whole square is equal to 49. So minus 14 plus 7 to the whole square is equal to 49. Here minus 14 plus 7, which is equal to minus 7 to the whole square is equal to 49. Minus 7 to the power whole square is equal to 49 is equal to 49. So it means that LHS is equal to RHS. So the value of x, which is 0 and minus 4, both are correct. Guys, in this question if you can face any issue, then comment, I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of Olympiad question.